Hi guys, my name's Kate, I'm the editor of Knit Now magazine, and I've just jumped into the video studio here today because I wanted to show you this lovely yarn, which is our subscription gift. So if you subscribe to Knit Now, you will get all of this yarn. So that's 3 balls in this lovely pinky shade and 4 balls in this grey and mauve shade, and this very lovely pattern, which means that you can knit this jumper and this jumper and these lovely mittens, all 3 patterns from this beautiful bundle of yarn. So if you're not familiar with STYLECRAFT Batik Swirl, it's a cake yarn which has a beautiful long colour change. So really you let the yarn do all of the work for you. You don't, if you're trying to get stripes, you don't have to weave in loads of ends and worry about all of that kind of stuff. So you get this really beautiful effect of the colour changing through your garment with 0 effort. It's great. It's a really beautiful yarn to work with, really lovely stitch definition. It's machine washable, really easy to care for. And yeah, you get all of this when you subscribe to Knit Now. So I'm going to leave all the details down below for you, and I hope to see you soon as a subscriber.